How to update Google Play Store manually. Do you know that if, for any reason, you don't have the latest version of the Google Play Store on your Android phone, you can update it manually? Here's how to do it. Open the Google Play Store. Then, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. Make sure you're logged into Google Play. Next, select Settings. Expand the About section, which is located at the bottom. Scroll down slightly to see all available options. Under Play Store version, you will see your current app version, the update option, and learn more. To manually update the Google Play Store, tap on Update Play Store here. If your app is not up to date, the download will start, and during installation, the Google Play Store will close. When you reopen it, you will have the latest version. In my case, it's already updated, so no update is needed. This is useful to know in case your Play Store cannot update automatically due to system issues. Give a thumbs up if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel.